Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo this really cool Origami Batarang Boomerang Flicker designed by Jeremy Shafer. And here's this tutorial to learn how to fold it. And yeah, so it looks like a really nice bat. And this is the really cool thing about it. It flies like a boomerang. Check this out. Alright, so here it is. And you just, I'm going to hold it by the wing here and I'm going to flick right here. Check this out. Oh yeah, that was perfect. Oh, and what I also like about this is that this part right here kind of looks like a face. See? Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, one more time. Oh yeah. So that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys like this demo, make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.